guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela and in today's video I am going to review the Face Shop lip tints for you guys. Now lip tints have been around for a while and suddenly everybody seems to love lip tints and everybody's raving about how beautiful lip tints look. So I just got my hands on these two lip tints from Face Shop and I just wanted to test the products out and see what the hype is all about. Now it's been 3 weeks since I got these and I have been using these ever since just to test the formula and everything, and I have my thoughts on both these products. But if you are new here, hi, I'm Rumela. I make makeup, skincare, lifestyle and mom life related content here on my channel. So if you like my content, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button down below. We are so close to 500 subscribers and I'm so excited. So yeah, definitely hit the subscribe button down below and also the bell notification that's right next to it. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the tints that I have here are these water fit tints from Face Shop. I have them in 2 shades. I'll show you guys. So these are both the shades that I have. I'll show them one by one. So the first one I have here is in the shade Pink Mate. So this is how it looks. It is a beautiful bright pink shade that will suit a lot of light to medium skin tones. I'm not sure about dusky skin tones because this is kind of like a bluish pink shade. So it will definitely suit like light to medium to a little bit dusky, but not like really deep tan skin types. These tints retail for 499 rupees each for how many ml, I'm not sure. Yeah, 5 grams of product, which I think is a lot. Now coming to the consistency of the product, they are almost like gel. It's not very watery like both the lip tints that I have are not very watery. They are kind of like a thick water, not like a gel, but something between water and gel. So this is how the first shade Pink Mate looks like. You guys can see this is definitely a bright fuchsia pink shade, and this is a beautiful lip tint in terms of color. Now this particular shade is definitely a beautiful shade and it will look really natural, but if you apply it directly on your skin, it will go on a little bit patchy. So make sure you moisturize your face and your lips really well before you go in with these tints, and then they will blend into your skin really well, and your face will look more natural. Now the shade Pink Mate is very pigmented and you just need a little bit of product, like a little goes a long way. So you do not get a lot of playtime with this particular shade, like the shade Pink Mate. If you apply it directly with the wand on your cheeks and don't blend it right away, it will leave a stain in the shape of the wand, if that makes sense. So you have to take this product on your fingers and then apply it directly on your face. You cannot use the wand on your face, otherwise it will leave that weird stain of in the shape of the wand, which is something that I do not like. The same goes with the lips. Like if you dot the product on your lips and don't blend it right away, it will leave stains where you applied the dot and will not blend beautifully. So make sure you take this shade on your fingers or on the back of your palm and then blend it directly onto your face. But apart from that, this is a beautiful shade. Just make sure that it will go on a little patchy if you have like really dry lips or face. Just make sure it's your skin is really nicely moisturized. But apart from that, everything is so beautiful about the shade and the formula and everything. Even the price point I think is really affordable because this will go on a long way, and you can definitely use this on a daily basis. It will make your skin look really nice and flushed. Also, these lip tints will stay on your lips and your cheeks forever, guys. If you apply it in the morning, it will stay on till evening. Like it will stay on until you remove it, maybe even 12 hours. That's how beautiful these lip stains are. They will stay put on your skin and will not move. That is something that I absolutely loved about both these products. Like both the products perform really well in terms of longevity. It's not like using powder blushes, because powder blushes vanish in like an hour, but these will stay on forever, and these are like my new favorite blushes. I just apply this on my bare face and go out whenever I want to. These days I don't apply a lot of makeup when I go out. Just I just don't like applying a lot of makeup, because my skin has been looking really good, touch wood. So I just apply a little bit of these tints, like whichever I'm feeling like, and just get out of the house, and it makes me feel really now coming to the second shade, it comes in a similar kind of packaging. This shade is kind of like an orangey red shade, even though the shade says rose pink. That is not how it is. It is nothing close to rose, and this is how it looks. It is more of a bright red shade. Again, the formula of this one is similar to that of Pink Mate. It is between a water and a gel. Like it's like a thick water. It's like a serum. If you guys understand, it is kind of like a thick serum. It is not very watery like the usual tints out there. Again, this is a beautiful formula. Now this one does not go on patchy, even on bare skin. Like, you will not have to moisturize your skin before you apply this. This does not go on patchy. You get a lot of playtime with this. Now you can directly apply this particular shade with the wand on your face, and it will not stain your cheeks there. Like, you get time to blend, and this one blends in beautifully. It makes your skin look really nice and beautiful. This is what I'm having on my face right now as well. I just apply this tint on my cheeks and my lips and just leave the house, and it makes me feel really fresh throughout the day. Like, my skin looks really nice and flushed and fresh throughout the day, and that is something I absolutely love about these products. They are definitely worth the money. Like, both these products retail for the same price, 500 rupees for 5 grams of product, which I think is like really affordable for the quantity you get. You really need the tiniest amount, because both these shades are really pigmented, and they just blend beautifully. They are like butter on your skin, and they last forever, and that is why I absolutely love both these products, and I highly recommend getting either of the two shades. Now this one will suit medium to dusky skin tones more. Even light skin people can use this, but I think this will suit dusky skin people really well, because of the orangey warm undertone that this one has. So that was my review about both these lip stains. They are beautiful, and if you are thinking of getting your hands on either of this, I would recommend getting the rose pink one, because this will suit every skin type, and this is a beautiful shade. Again, this one is very easy to work with. It does not go on patchy or anything. It gives you some time to blend as well. So if you are thinking of getting one shade from the Face Shop lip tint range, I would definitely recommend going in with the rose pink one. So that is it for the video, guys. That was my review about the Face Shop lip tints. I absolutely love them, and they are my new obsession, and I have been wearing these ever since I got my hands on these. So yeah, that is all I had to say. If you like the video, definitely give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.